Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am outside the gym now. I don't know if to take you guys inside with me. I just started the gym recently again. There's really not much to see just because I'm only doing cardio right now. I'm starting slow again just to get my body used to it again. I normally do like 10-20 minutes cardio and then the rest I do weight training, but yeah, not today guys. So I don't know, what should I do? Do not be mad if I don't take you guys inside, but you know what, there is always another day. I will definitely take you guys along and just show you guys kind of like what I do. I might get home and maybe like do a little bit of squats here and there. Let me start getting ready to go inside, because if I wait any longer, I'm not gonna go inside. Does anyone else have to use these like little gummies for your AirPods? I don't know if my hole is too big in my ear or what, but I have to put these things on. If not, they will fall. And they're super comfortable. Like, I honestly, my brother actually gifted me these AirPods, and like for a whole year I did not use them because they would fall. So it was, I didn't want to lose them. They were really annoying. Oh yeah, and look at my little case. I'm not gonna show you guys inside because it's dirty as hell. But alright, I'll catch you guys in a second. Oh my god, can't really see the sweat much, but if I showed you guys my back, god damn, that shit's soaking. Probably my ass crack too. So now I'm just gonna go straight home, shower, and probably do my hair. I don't want to look crusty throughout this whole video, and I want to show you guys everything that I bought from Shein. It's actually the first time I buy like beauty products and like accessories, and I'll probably just skip breakfast because I'm out of bagels and it's already 12. And yeah, I actually did make an egg salad yesterday, so I think I'm just gonna eat that today. So yeah guys, I'll catch you guys at home.
So baby, she won't, but shit, then again, maybe she will.
Oh my god, I need to take this shirt off. Ew, it's soaking wet. Whew. I am tired, but I feel like I have a lot of freaking energy. It is time to shower because I am sticky. Well, hello, we meet again. All right guys, it is, oh wait, my clock is not there anymore. You know when you've had a clock in one spot for like the longest and then you move it to another spot, it's so hard to adjust to the other new spot. Did it just get dark? I really hope it's not dark guys. It's a little cloudy out there, but anyways, it is 4:44. Isn't that like an angel's number? Should we make a wish? I don't even know what to wish for. I wish for health and money and love to all my viewers. That's what I wish for. Alright guys, I got my little salad here. This is the salad that I made yesterday. I kind of did somewhat of like the Italian chopped salad where you like chop everything pretty finely. But yeah, I basically just threw a bunch of stuff in there. So all this really has is boiled eggs, garbanzos. How do you say garbanzos? Garbanzos? I don't know if that's the correct English word, but it also has corn and spring mix. And then I just added some mayo and some sweet and spicy seasoning, pepper, and a little bit of Himalayan sauce. Oh my god, but have you guys heard of the whole fake meat they just approved here in the US? You remember that day that the submarine went missing? It's the same day the FDA, is it called FDA? Approved the whole lab meat. It's not even real meat anymore. So I'm just like so iffy, guys. Honestly, I've been considering going vegan. And if I go vegan, how am I gonna do these food reviews that I enjoy doing and you guys enjoy watching? So I don't know. It's a tough one, man. It's a tough one. So I've been thinking about that, right? And just last night, I was like, what if I just ate meats with bone in? I mean, how are they gonna replicate a bone, right? Like, I've seen all these TikTok videos and all of that with fake meat, but it's all like chicken breasts, like without the bone. And then it looks hella funny, which I already got a package like that and it looks so weird, and I don't know why. I still went ahead and cooked it and ate it. And now I'm seeing all these TikTok videos going around and that's what my chicken looked like. And I still ate it. And it still tasted good. Let me know what y'all think about that, man. Let me know what I should do too. All right, it is time to open this baby up. I actually received this a couple of days ago, so I've been patiently waiting to open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and open. What is this? Dang, it's one big ass bag. So I'm also doing a gym haul, but you guys are gonna have to wait for this one till next week. Today we are only looking at accessories and makeup items. So, oh, I can't wait. I needed some more gym clothes because I'm running out. And I want to look cute, you know? All right, we got some stuff here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to open this bag. Okay, so they are individually packaged like they normally send them out, but okay. Oh my god, I really hope all my stuff is here. Oh damn, I am dropping stuff. Yay, everything is here. All right guys, make sure you guys tune in for next week's video. Okay, I think we got everything, guys. Whoa. So like I mentioned, it is the first time I buy like beauty products from Shein. So I'm for sure curious about these lashes, guys, because I've been needing lashes and sometimes it's hard to get some good lashes, especially when you're trying to like keep it on a budget. Cause man, some of these lashes be hella expensive out there. And I'm like, boo, why? I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because I wanna see the type of quality. If the band feels good, if the hair feels real. Okay, look at that. They look really cute. Okay, I actually really like the band. It's like super flexible. They would even look like lash extensions, don't you guys think? And guys, I am gonna link everything in the description box. Next week I might do a video like actually using all of these things. All right, let me show you guys these brushes I got. So I was actually looking for a concealer brush, but based on the price and all of that, it was just better to get 3. And honestly, it feels really good. It doesn't seem like the little hairs are coming off either. They're like a wood beige color. Next, we have a white eyeliner. I've actually never owned one. Ooh, okay. I like the quality. And it's like super smooth. Okay, I like that. And you know what? This helps you like for your eyes to look just a little bigger. So if you have small eyes, maybe consider buying a white eyeliner. Oh my god, I definitely been needing this. Like my thing is going weak, guys. And look, it comes with all these like extra replacement gummies. 3, 6, 9. Okay, I got 10, 11, I guess, with the one on here. So here we have a eyelash curler. Really cute. Ooh, I like it already because look how wide it is. Do y'all see this? I still have room to squeeze them even tighter, but it's already hitting the gummy up here. It's exactly what I needed. The glasses that I got. So these are like probably my 3rd pair of glasses that I get from Shein, and I love how they come with this little thing. I also use that for my camera. Look how cute these glasses are. They're brown. They're cute or whatever, but they are definitely like bigger than all the other ones that I've gotten. These are a little pointy. I don't know, what do we think? Do we like? And you know what, glasses like these are really good to use when you're like in front of the computer and stuff, so they can like somewhat protect your eyeballs. So yeah, that's another reason why I got them. They're not prescription or anything. All right, so I think that is all for the beauty stuff, but I do have some necklaces and stuff like that. I did get these. If you guys have a big old podunk in the back and a small waist, I'm working on it. You guys probably get a little gap in the back with the baggy jeans. That is my struggle, guys. So they're kind of like buttons in a way. So you clip them in the back of your jeans and then you get to like hook them. So here are the little things that you clip on your jeans. Here are the little hooks. When I do the makeup video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this is used and see if I even recommend it or not, because I don't know. Oh, let me not break it. Ooh, okay, this is a little extra. I was a little iffy about getting this. It's some dripping like liquid drops. What do we think? It's a little out there, huh? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Ooh. It's so cute. Oh my god. That is adorable. It's a little teddy bear. It is pretty small, but when it comes to like diamond stuff, I like them small because, you know, they're already flashy. So y'all make sure y'all tune in for next week's videos. I am posting Wednesdays and Saturdays now, but I will post like Monday or Tuesday if there's like a new food item release. Like, I'm not gonna miss out and post late. I really enjoyed doing this type of video, guys. I've missed doing a vlog video, and this was actually really fun. Like, it felt like I just had someone there to talk to. So thank you to all of you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.